Introducing OPTIS, the lightweight tire insert that's easy to install and eliminates burping. Your tires are your only points of contact with the ground, and their performance is absolutely fundamental to your control and enjoyment of riding. Your tires have to grip the ground, absorb impact, transmit power, bring you safely to a stop, sling you around corners, and stay inflated through all of it. Finding one pressure that is perfect for all these functions is impossible. OPTIS splits the tire into two air chambers, allowing you to run the tire itself at a nice low pressure that optimizes how it conforms to the ground and grips, while the insert runs a higher pressure, stabilizing the tire, locking the beads to the rim, and soaking up the bigger impacts. OPTIS prevents burping no matter how hard you push it. With the center of the rim filled, it is almost impossible to get the tire to burp. OPTIS adds bottom-out protection to your tire and rims, so rock gardens and hidden edges are dealt with without the usual crashes and bangs. Additionally, OPTIS's beadlock aspect provides limited run-flat capabilities, allowing you to come safely to a stop after any tire damage. OPTIS is lightweight at around half the weight of many of the other options, while offering superior performance and tunability. And because you can run lighter, faster rolling tires, the overall weight can be lower than running even without an insert. Unlike foam inserts, OPTIS installation and removal is easy, at home or on the trail. OPTIS installs as easily as an inner tube, and even helps with tire seating by pushing the beads out, so there is no need to fear tire changes. OPTIS is available now, and we hope you enjoy it as much as we do.